Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing Unit 8. In Worksheet 1, we have done the rule D mass, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, following the same rule D mass, we are doing Worksheet 2, which is at page number 118 of our book. Question number 1 of worksheet 2 is simplify the following numerical expressions. First part is 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. The question is same as we have done in worksheet 1, but here the questions will be of fraction only. This first part is very simple, but there is a different thing that only the sign of addition and subtractions are here, and in case of these two signs, what we have to do, we just rearrange the numbers to get plus sign before the minus sign. Same thing we will do here also. 7 by 8 plus 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. After this, firstly, we will solve the addition sign according to D mass rule. In addition, LCM of 8 and 8 is 8. Numerator will be 7 plus 5 minus 3 by 8. Here 7 plus 5 will be 12 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Now LCM of again 8 and 8. The next step you will do on your own. Okay. Come to the next part. B part here. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 divides 3 by 5. Here the sign of division is given. So what will we do here? Firstly, we will solve the sign of division. And in case of two fractions, how to divide? Just change the division sign into multiplication. Take its reciprocal and try to cancel. 3 ones are 3 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are. Okay. After that, what will we get? 1 by 2 will remain as it is, plus 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2. Here we will have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now 2 and 2 having LCM, 2 divides 2, it's 1, 1 ones are 1. In the same way, the numerator will be this. Answer will be 2 by 2, which can be cancelled. So 2 cancel with 2. Answer will be 1 by 1, which is equals to 1. This is the second part of the question. Okay. Now move to the third part. Here the question is given in mixed fraction. First of all, we will convert into improper. Then division sign will be solved as in B part. What we will do? Change the division into multiplication. Take the reciprocal. Try to cancel. Here 5 by 2 plus multiplication of these two fractions, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 4. Now as both the signs are of addition, so we will add collectively. How to do? When you take the LCM of 2, 4, it will be 4. You will find on your own. 4 will be the combined numerator. Then 4 divides 2, it's 2. 2 5s are 10. In the same way, 10 will come here and 5 will come here. And when we add all these things, this will be 25 by 4. As an improper fraction will be converted to mixed, the answer will be 6. 1 by 4 is the final answer. Same in case of D part. As the complete statement is given, mix will be converted to improper, division sign into multiplication, cancellation. Now this step of multiplication and this step of multiplication we can do together in a single step to get 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Then LCM of 6 and 4 will be 12. We will show here the LCM. How can we find? You know better. Then subtraction and the answer will be 1 by 12. Okay. it completes the D part of the question. Let's move to the E part. Here the sign of multiply, divide and plus is given. Which sign will be solved first according to DMARS rule? Division sign. So what will we do here? Multiply 5 by 6, multiply 3 by 2. Okay. Plus 5 by 12. Now division sign is not now in the statement. So both these two multiplication sign means these three fractions are multiplying together, so we can multiply all these three fractions in a single step. Try to cancel. 5 ones are 5 ones are, 2 ones are 2 ones are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. 1 1 1, numerator will be 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, denominator 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2, plus 5 by 12. Okay, after this now we will find out the LCM. This will be 12 and here we will have 6 plus 5 and the answer will be 11 by 12. This is the E part. In the same way, F part. Mixed fractions are given. We will convert the mix into improper. Then division sign is, as the division sign is at two places, so two steps of multiplication will come together. Then when we cancel it, it will be 7 ones are 7 ones are, 2 ones are 2 six are, and here 6 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now firstly this addition will be solved and then the answer will minus 1 by 4. Okay, so to solve the addition, take the LCM of 1 and 2, that is 2. Then numerators, then we will get 21 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Then LCM, then subtraction. Finally, we will get 41 by 4 and then into mixed fraction, then 1 by 4 is the final answer. Okay, this completes our worksheet 2 of unit 8. Now your homework is complete and revise worksheet 2 of unit 8. Thank you.